In this video, we are going to learn 5 different ways that we can use to insert tables in our Microsoft Word document. To insert a table, you first place the cursor where you want to insert your table, and then click on Insert Tab, Table, and then you specify the number of columns and rows that you want using this grid here. Like we have specified that we want 10 columns and 3 rows. Then when you click, you insert the table there, and then you can use these designs here to change the design of your table to look more presentable. And if you click on the down arrow here, you can see we have more designs here that you can pick from and may change the design of our table to look more appealing. Another way of inserting a table is to click on Insert Tab, Table, and then you click on Insert Table option. And then in this dialog box, you can be able to specify the number of columns that you want and the number of rows that you want here. So like if we want 10 columns, we specify there. If we want 5 rows, we specify there. Then we can even specify the out of it behavior if we want our table to have fixed column width, out of it to contents, out of it to windows, or to remember dimensions for new tables. We check on these options here, and then we click OK to insert our table. And we can still change the design of our table using the designs up here. And we click there to see more designs, and then we can choose from there. Let's choose that one to make our table more presentable. So that's another way of inserting a table. Another way of inserting a table is to click on the Insert Tab, Table, and then you click on the Draw Table option, and then our mouse pointer turns into a pen shape that we can use to draw a table in our document like that. We can draw columns in our document. We can draw columns. We can draw another column there, draw another column there, and we can draw rows using the pen. We can draw rows. We can draw another row using the pen like that. Now we have another table here with 5 columns and 3 rows. So that's another way of inserting a table. Another way of inserting a table is to click on the Insert Tab, Table, and then we click on the Excel spreadsheet option so that we can be able to insert an Excel spreadsheet in our document that we can use to manage calculations. And lastly, we can use this option of clicking on Insert Table, and then we click on the Quick Tables option here. And you can see we have some built-in tables here that if we scroll down, we have more built-in tables. The first ones are calendar options. So if we click on this one, we can be able to insert a calendar in our document, and we can change the contents of our calendar to suit what we want.